champions, welcome back to our 20-day Hindi reading challenge. Look at this beautiful picture. A person jumping high into the sky during sunset. What does this tell us? It tells us that with मेहनत, हिम्मत और लगन, हर सपने को साकार किया जा सकता है. It means hard work, courage and dedication make every dream come true. Just like the person in this picture is jumping high, you too can rise high in your life. But only if you keep learning and practicing every day. So are you ready to read confidently today? Let's begin the day 14. Before we move forward, let us quickly revise all our swear and mention letters together. Everyone, sit straight, open your mouth clearly and read loudly with me. Let's begin with swear. A, I, U, R, A, O, Au. Now the anuswar. Finally, the visarg. Ah. Now let's move on to the vyanjan. K, K, G, G, Ng. Ch, Ch, J, J, Nya. Th, Th, D, D, Na. Th, Th, D, D, Na. P, P, B, B, Ma. Ya, Ra, La, Va. Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. I think by this time you're pretty confident with all these letters. So let's move on. And today we will be learning about the Bharakadi. What is Bharakadi? The word Bhara means 12 and the word Kadi means standing forms or rows. Together, Bharakadi means 12 forms referring to how each consonant combines with 12 vowel signs, that is the matras, to create a systematic chart. Now, let's see how to write the Vyanjan letters using the matras. Look at this chart. This is called Bharakadi, the 12 forms of Hindi consonants. At the very top, you will see the vowels listed. Just below them are the vowel signs, called matras. These are the marks we add to consonants to change their sound. Like in day 13, we saw that the matras are nothing but the symbols given for the sounds of the each word. Like the letter A doesn't have a matra. A has a matra which is a standing line. The E matra is a hand from the left of your consonant. The Badi E ki matra is your hand placed to the right of the consonant. The matra for the letter U is drawn at the bottom of the consonant like a closed curve. The Badi U ki matra is drawn below the consonant facing the right side with a curve. The V ki matra is drawn bottom of the consonant like an open curve. The matra of the A is a horn drawn on top of the consonant. When you add two horns on top of a letter, it refers A ki matra. Drawing a hand and a horn over it refers O ki matra. Drawing a hand and two horns above it refers Au ki matra. Placing a bindu on top of a consonant refers Am ki matra. Placing two dots on the right of the consonant refers Aha ki matra. Now, starting from the third row, each consonant like K, K, G, G, Ch is combined with every matra in this chart. This systematic chart shows how one consonant transforms into 12 different sounds when paired with the vowel sounds. It's the foundation of the Hindi reading and pronunciation. Let's see each letter one by one. Let's begin now. All you have to do is just take a consonant letter, add the respective matra to get the 12 different forms of the vowel sounds. Let's see. K plus A, that is adding a standing line next to K makes it Kha. K plus E. The E ki matra is nothing but drawing a hand to the left of the consonant. So K plus E makes it Ki. The body E ki matra is drawing a hand to the right of the consonant. So K plus E gives us Ki. The U ki matra is drawn at the bottom of the consonant with a close curve. So K plus U, Ku. U ki matra is again drawn at the bottom of the consonant with the curve facing the right side. So K plus U, Ku. The Ru ki matra is again drawn at the bottom of the consonant with an open curve. K plus Ru gives us Kr. A ki matra is drawing a horn on top of the consonant. K plus A, K. A ki matra is drawing two horns above the consonant. K plus A is Kai. Drawing a hand and a horn on top of it gives us O ki matra. K plus O gives us Ko. Drawing a hand and two horns on top of it to the right of a consonant gives us Au ki matra. K plus Au, Cow. Drawing a bindu on top of a consonant gives us Ki matra. K plus Kham. Drawing two dots to the right of a consonant gives us Aha ki matra. K plus Aha, Kah. In a similar way, we need to complete adding the matras to every single letter of consonant to complete the Barakadi. Let me quickly read through this. K plus A, Kha. K plus E, Ki. K plus E, Ki. K plus U, Ku. K plus U, Ku. K plus Ru, Kru. K plus A, K. K plus I, Khai. K plus O, Ko. K plus Au, Khao. K plus Kham. K plus Ah, Kah. Now the Garo. G plus A, Gha. G plus E, Ghi. G plus E, Ghi. G plus U, Gu. G plus U, Gu. G plus Ru, Gru. G plus A, Ghe. G plus I, Ghai. G plus O, Gho. G plus Au, Ghau. G plus Gum. G plus Ah, Gah. Now the Gharo. G plus A, Gha. G plus E, Ghi. G plus E, Ghi. G plus U, Gu. G plus U, Gu. G plus Ru, Gru. G plus A, Ghe. G plus I, Ghai. G plus O, Go. G plus Au, Ghau. G plus Gham. G plus Ah, Gah. Now I kindly request you to proceed with all the remaining letters of the consonants by adding the matras, pronouncing it in the same way as I did for the first row, and finish your consonants in a similar manner. Now let me quickly run through just the sounds of the Bharakadi. Sh, Sha, chi, chi, chu, chu, chru, che, chai, cho, chow, chum, chahar. Ch, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, chru, che, chai, cho, chow, chum, chahar. J, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, jru, je, jai, jo, jau, jam, jahe. J, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, jru, je, jai, jo, jau, jam, jahe. Now the taro. Th, tha, ti, ti, tu, thu, tru, te, thai, tho, thau, tham, taha. Th, tha, ti, tu, thu, tru, te, thai, tho, thau, tham, taha. Dha, dha, di, thi, du, dhu, dhru, dhe, thai, do, dhau, dham, daha. Dha, dha, di, thi, du, dhu, dhru, dhe, dhai, dho, dhau, dham, daha. Na, na, ni, ni, nu, nu. Na doesn't merge with the sound ru, so there is no letter here. Ne, nai, no, now, nam, nahar. Tha, tha, thi, thi, thu, thu, thru, the, thai, to, thau, tham, tahar. Tha, tha, thi, thu, thu, thru, the, thai, to, thau, tham, tahar. Dha, dha, di, thi, du, dhu, dhru, de, dhai, do, dhau, dham, dahar. Dha, dha, di, thi, du, dhu, dhru, de, dhai, do, dhau, dham, dahar. Na, na, ni, ni, nu, 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 ne, nai, no, now, nam, nahar. Now I kindly request you all to kindly write and practice all these letters of Barakadi in your notebook from Ka to Nahar, as I said, in a similar pattern, by pronouncing each of the matras and pronouncing the sound every single time, and come for the next class. Day 14 is complete, and I know many of you feel that Barakadi is tough. But remember, every skill feels hard at first. With practice, every learner can win. Like the runner in this image, progress comes step by step. So don't give up, because consistency is the key. Keep up the spirit, stay motivated, stay patient, and trust the process. After practice, success will surely come. Tomorrow will continue stronger than ever. See you on day 15. Thank you.